Hello, welcome to Coastal Crafts. So I'm here with a Hunkydory Goody box. Yes, I broke down and had to get one. Got one last year and I was happy with what I got in it. They're £25. It's the second time they've done it. He used the word annual, the guy who runs Hunkydory, so I'm assuming they will do it again next year, and maybe they'll do it more than once a year, who knows. But so far it's been once a year, £25, and they say over £80 worth of stuff, but I presume they're going by the original prices, and quite often you can get stuff discounted cheaper. So you win some, you lose some. I love Hunkydory quality. I just think they're one of the best products for quality. So I was happy to go ahead and get a box. Well, I broke down and got it. I ordered it on the first day it came out, but a little bit later on in the day, so it took about a week to arrive. Some people got there very quickly, other people like me not so quickly. I did add a couple of bits in just to bring it up to free shipping. You have to spend £30 to get free shipping when you are buying from Hunkydory. So I chucked in one of these stamps that they were selling for £2.50. It's a thanks stamp. It's a lovely photo polymer stamp, and these ones, it was in a sale, are designed, so you can tell photopolymer, gorgeous and thick, to have a go with these brush markers. So essentially you can have a go going around it and using like your calligraphy skills, except not really, because you're just filling it in, but the size of it is meant to be designed to work with these markers. So I thought for £2.50, rather than spending it on postage, I would spend it on that stamp. Give that a go. I've not tried it out yet, but I will do. And I also chucked in some of these chenille wools, I guess you call it, for doing Pom Poms and I don't know what you call it, the weaving. You know, I showed you the little Valentine's thing that I was doing with Mr. Coastal Crafts. They're just so soft and cute. They're really small, but like I don't do knitting or anything, so I don't need a lot of it. And they're about £1 each for these. So because they're so soft and cute colours, I got them. I've already got this one, but I love that colour. And then there's a lovely baby grey and a baby pink. So I will be doing some more weaving and pom-pom making with those ones. So that's what I got to take up free shipping, and because I like them anyway. And then we'll get into what came in my £25 goodie box. So I've already looked, because I don't understand people who don't look first. Why would you not want to do that? First of all, I got a die. I don't even remember this one coming out particularly, but I've seen it advertised on eBay and stuff. The Wise and Beautiful range, Wild and Free, and it's a frame die. And I have I've got one of these from a different range that they were doing. So I had the one from the Blossoming Lace that was like that with bumblebees, and I managed to get the paper pad to go with it, and I really like that one. So I think that I would like this one as well. So it goes that way up. You've got flowers there, if you can see it. You've got a big owl. You've got words that say be wild and free. Not sure what kind of a sentiment, what kind of a card you're sending to say be wild and free. But yeah, I tried cutting it out, but it you either need to colour it in or have the backing pad for it to really look like anything. So yeah, I don't think I kept that. I cut it out on pattern paper and it didn't look like anything, so I need to redo it, and I might take some time colouring it in first of all, see how I like about that, and then decide whether I want to buy the paper pad, which seems to be £8.50 on Craft Stash, should I want to get the coordinating papers. But yeah, pretty. You get the frame to cut it out, you get the bit that cuts in, and you get the words. So that was the first thing that I got. Sort of going to get out the smaller items first, I think. Then I got some glitter. So I've never used Hunkydory glitter before. Diamond Sparkles glitter assortment. I mean, you can't really go wrong with glitter, can you? Shades of pink and purple. I do like a good shade of pink and purple. They're very cute. And at the very least, you can always give pots out, can't you, in Happy Mail. They tell you what the little colours are called, but I don't know if that links up to anything. Like, I don't know if that coordinates with any specific inks or papers, but yeah, they seem nice. I'm having a moment when I'm off glitter because of, yeah, using a bit of glitter recently and it going everywhere, but I'm sure it will come back around to glitter. Then I also got some of these, and you know, we can always do with lovely gemstones in the greens, and that's pretty. Then I was really happy with the stamp set that I got. Pretty much everyone's unboxing, everyone seems to have different things, so you don't really know what you're going to get, which is quite exciting. I love Hunkydory stamps because they're photopolymer, they stamp really well and they're cute. Look at all those little ladybirds coming out, and you've got a jar. Not that they haven't already got a jar, but you know, jars are always useful, and you can have little bugs inside, and I just think that's, yeah, I like that, really like that one. So that was a good choice for me. They chose well. They stuck a couple of these in. I love these, as you know. I buy them all the time, so always happy to have more. It's not overly exciting, but they're always useful. I put in a paper pad. This one I think I was considering buying when they had their sale, but I didn't buy it because I was already buying too much. But it's absolutely beautiful. What's it called? Bohemian Bliss. Look how pretty that is. And obviously it's double-sided, which is even better. So it's 8 by 8. Really pretty. That's the unicorn. Someone's out doing their lawn by the sounds of it. So really nice. And because it's double-sided, you get a choice. So if I don't like one, I can use the other one. Yeah, I really like that. I think that's really pretty, and it's matte as well, and I do like their matte stuff. So I got that. I got some of these Pika Mix packs, of which I have got many already. So there's a good chance that these will go into Happy Mail because, as we know, I've not really got room to store anymore. This one is Fiesta. That one's really pretty with the butterflies. Do like that one. That one could be used, I guess, for like a boy's card, which I often need. Then I got this one, which is like a congratulations one. Very generic. So they're not overly exciting, but they're always good for gifting out. And then I got the full pack of Peony Promise. So the luxury card collection. I wonder if I can go a bit higher so that you can get a better view. Probably not. It's just way too complicated for me, isn't it? But very pretty. I'll show you what comes in this pack. Get rid of that. Peony Promises. So you get envelopes. Envelopes are always useful. I'll probably put them with my envelope collection. You get these card bases that are a little bit... I don't quite understand them because they've got a bit that's cut out the middle. So I'm not quite sure how that works, but they're definitely usable. I just might end up cutting them apart as opposed to using them as card bases. It's a really pretty design. So gorgeous, and obviously lovely 350 GSM. And then you get ones like this. I mean, maybe they're meant to be put together. I'm not quite sure. Probably show me on the picture. No, that's of no help whatsoever. There might be some instructions. I don't know. I'll try to figure them out given 5 minutes, but they're very pretty, aren't they? They would be, is that like a 5 by 5 card design? Oh yeah, you do stick them together and make this kind of weird card. Maybe I'll have a go at that. That could be fun, couldn't it? So you get some lovely card stock. It's a little bit dirty, and I think that's just me with my dirty hands, but really pretty. And obviously I love the quality of Hunkydory card stock. Let's turn these over. Dragonflies. Oh. Perfume. Hot air balloons. I always wonder what inspires people to sort of put certain things together. You often see kind of like perfume and hot air balloons together. for whatever reason. Trying to work out what the cats are eating over there. Like that jar. I like the colours. Nice rich colours. So you get lots and lots of cardstock in the pack. And then of course you get toppers, as you would expect with Hunkydory. And they are silver foiled. So I'll definitely be keeping these ones because it's all one set. It was just pick and mix ones. I just seem to end up with loads of them. I like these ones because lots of really small elements. So they would be quite nice on things like when I make pocket letters. Peony Promise. Blah, blah, blah. So essentially that is all of that. And then the last thing that I got, other than you get 10% off code for another purchase, I'm sure will get used at some point in time, was the inserts for Peony Promise. Now, like most people, I don't use inserts at all, let's be honest. So a lot of these, I might use that image for something, and then I'll probably end up using the paper, just as paper. So it is, these are the images on it. So you can see it's slightly wasted on me. I don't know. So that's lots of those ones. I mean, it's nice quality paper. Can't fault that. So then on this side, these images. Then these ones are pretty, aren't they? Because they're patterned. So I would quite possibly use these just as patterned paper. I like the blue dots and I like the lilac dots. I mean, I'm sure lots of people do use inserts. It's just, maybe I'm a lazy card maker, but I don't use them. But as I say, the quality of the paper is lovely, so it'll definitely get used. It just probably get used in a different manner. So that's everything that I got. Do I feel that I got £25 worth? Well, I would definitely have bought these. So that's about £1.40 for the two of them. I would probably have spent maybe £4 on this if I was going to buy it, just because I've got so many stamps. Or £5, we could say. That's not how much it costs new. I'm saying how much I would be prepared to pay for that. So we're looking at about £6.50 there. I'd give £1 for that, £7.50. I'd probably pay maybe £3 for some glitter, £3 to £4. So that probably takes me to about £11.50. Paper pad I love, and definitely pay about £8 for that, although I know you could get it cheaper in the sale. So then you're looking at about £16-17 there. The die set's very nice. I'd probably pay maybe £6-7 for that. So you're already looking at over £20, and then obviously the Peony Promises, I'd probably pay £8 to £10 for that. They cost like £30 new, but I'm quite tight, aren't I? So already with what I would have paid for that willingly, had I found it on eBay, I've covered my price. But you're not guaranteed, are you? It just so happened that I like what I got. So I'm very lucky. Yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you picked up one of these. Did you like what you got? Did you prefer mine or yours? And I shall see you very soon. Bye.